Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the seventh question in exercise 10.3. Is the function defined by f of x is modulo of x continuous at x is equal to 0? So first let's note down the given function. F of x is equal to mod x and we are supposed to show whether it is continuous at x is equal to 0. So first let's compute f of 0, which is mod 0. It is still going to be equal to 0. So we computed the value of f of 0 to be 0. Now let us calculate limit x tends to 0 plus f of x, and we will also calculate limit x tends to 0 minus of f of x. All the three cases, it should be equal to 0 here. So let's start with the first one. So this is limit x tends to 0, f of 0 plus h. So this is going to be limit h tends to 0, mod of 0 plus h. So if I put h is equal to 0, so this is 0 plus 0, still a 0, mod 0 is 0. Now let's compute limit h tends to 0, f of 0 minus h. So this is limit h tends to 0, then mod of 0 minus h. So whatever is the value of h here, it is going to be 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0, mod 0 is 0. Now we see that the f of 0's value is also here 0, x tends to 0 plus is also 0, x tends to 0 minus is also 0. Therefore, the function is continuous at x is equal to 0. So you need to close off with this statement. In the next video, we will see how to solve the eighth question in this exercise.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.